Today we're talking about a brand new federal win from one of our GCExperts clients, and this one belongs to Aaron Powless, the owner of C.R. Powless and Company, LLC. Aaron just picked up a federal award for Crescent Sidewalk Repairs inside Deschutes National Forest, and even though it's a smaller award, just shy of $30,000, I want to walk you through why this is a big deal, why it fits perfectly into Aaron's lane, and why it's another example of how GCExperts clients keep stacking predictable wins. Let's dig in. Aaron Powless is one of those steady, focused, disciplined GCExperts clients who does exactly what we teach. He goes after work that fits. Not hype, not dreams, not swing for the fences stuff. He targets the type of federal work that aligns with his strengths: earthwork, excavation, site improvement, and facility-level work like septic, utility connections, and concrete repair. And that discipline is exactly what the federal government rewards. This particular award, the Crescent Sidewalk Repairs in Deschutes National Forest, may sound simple at first. Most people see the word sidewalk and immediately underestimate the job. But once you consider the environment, the terrain, and the Forest Service requirements, you realize very quickly that this is a technically sensitive job performed in a highly regulated natural setting. Let's talk about that environment for a moment. Deschutes National Forest is not a paved city grid. It's rugged, natural, wildlife active land that serves hikers, campers, families, and thousands of outdoor users every year. When sidewalks in these areas begin to crack, shift, or fail, it's not a cosmetic issue. It's a public safety hazard. It's a liability, and it directly affects accessibility and visitor experience. So the government cannot afford sloppy work. And this is where Aaron shines. Vision, planning, detail, coordination, all of that matters here. A sidewalk repair project in a national forest requires removal of compromised concrete, establishing a stable subgrade, correcting slopes and transitions, ensuring the surface meets accessibility standards, protecting nearby vegetation and soil, working around natural drainage patterns, coordinating access and timing with Forest Service personnel. This isn't a quick fix. This is precise work in a sensitive environment, and that's why the government selected Aaron Powless and Company, LLC. So why did Aaron win this award? Because the federal government awards based on confidence. Confidence in your ability to deliver the work, confidence in your professionalism, confidence in your communication, and confidence that you'll make their job easier, not harder. Aaron has built that confidence. Through steady performance, through applying the GCExperts process, through showing reliability on every step of federal communication, Aaron has positioned his business exactly where it needs to be. He's not chasing random opportunities. He's building a quiet, powerful track record of doing the type of work federal agencies value the most. And this win is a perfect example of it. Small repair projects like this carry huge strategic value. They are fast, low competition, high agency demand, repeatable, perfect for building past performance. And agencies remember the people who do them well. You give the Forest Service a clean, professional sidewalk repair, following rules, protecting the land, documenting the work, and you immediately become a trusted name. The next time they need a trail fix, a drainage improvement, a concrete replacement, or a small facility upgrade, the chances are high they'll reach out to the people who already proved they can do it. That's how federal work compounds. Aaron is now in that circle of trust. And here's the bigger point. He didn't get there by guessing. He didn't get there by throwing in random bids. He got there by doing exactly what GCExperts teaches: aligning capability with opportunity. This Crescent Sidewalk Repair Award is not luck. It's not a one-off. It's part of a growing pattern of reliability and discipline that federal agencies love to see. Aaron is building momentum. He's strengthening his federal resume. He's positioning himself for larger opportunities down the road, and he's proving, just like the many GCExperts clients who win every week, that the system works when you follow it correctly. Huge congratulations to Aaron Powless on this win. It's exactly the type of project that builds long-term credibility and leads to repeat federal work. If you want to talk about this job or any other opportunity in the federal space, schedule a Zoom with me at gcexperts.com/Zoom. See you in the next one.